Good to go. Yeah, this one easier than this is obviously the one we're doing. See the fiberglass is exposed. It's pretty light too. It's been just catching heavy gusts constantly. Don't lift too much. This is paper thin. Look how thin that is. Alright, it's fine. So in this deglued, this one deglued just then during all that. Hopefully it'll reseal. I mean it will. This is just the top tab, so should be fine. Got our new piece. Good length.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Decent color match. I see a bit of creasing here already though. You see this buckling? I barely lifted that. Proper tool. That buckling, I can see that buckling probably. It's flaking off. This roof's got dry skin. Crease. That one definitely buckled. Had one kind of here, one above it. Same Z's right there. Boop. 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 Look, even that one. See that? You see the buckling? I'm not lifting very much here. You start doing all that. That's good. What's that debris under there? Our new piece. And cut.